Hello student, a very warm welcome to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So again we have the science period, and in your science period we are learning the chapter already. We have started second chapter, food and its components. So as we have described the one nutrition, that is carbohydrates. Now in this video class I will explain more nutritions to you. Okay. So today first nutrition we have, that is proteins, and proteins are very important nutrition for our body, because it is very important to for the growth of our body, to repair our body parts, and as well as to maintain our body. And this proteins are the chemical substance which contain nitrogen, oxygen, carbon and hydrogen. And if we will talk about the proteins are also known for to forming the hemoglobin, which is a very important part of our body, because hemoglobin is responsible to carry oxygen from one part to another part of our body, and oxygen is needed to get for getting energy to our body. Without oxygen it is not possible for us to work even a single second's work. So that's why hemoglobin is very important, and proteins are very only responsible to form the hemoglobin. Okay. And proteins are also help us in creating antibodies means proteins found in blood used by the body to neutralize the effects of bacteria and virus. Means these antibodies fight against the infection and also protect our body from different diseases. So that's why in this COVID-19 pandemic time, it is very important you will eat more protein rich food, so you will create your body will create more antibodies. And if we will talk about the more sources of proteins, so the sources of proteins: pulses, beans, nuts, milk, cheese, eggs, fish. These all are the sources of very good sources of the proteins. But it is always said that whatever protein we are getting from the animal, they are better than the protein which we are getting from the plants. So that's why this means, if we will talk about the fish has the more proteins than if we are taking the nuts or milk. So that's why it is called that animal proteins are known to be better than the plants protein. Okay. Now next we have, that is fats. So fats are also as an energy giving food like a carbohydrate, but the main source of our energy in our body, that is carbohydrate. But fats are also a source of energy in our body, and these fats make our body strong. Okay. These are the compounds of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, same as the carbohydrates, and the same amount of fats provide more energy than the carbohydrate. It is also very notable things that the same amount of carbohydrate we are eating and the same amount of fat we are eating, but we will get more energy than from the fat than the carbohydrate. Even we get the fats from animals as well as plants. We get the fats from both animal as well as plants. So if we will talk about the sources of the fat, so ghee, oil, butter, milk, meat, these all are the sources of fat in our body. And if we will talk about, there are some common foods containing fats. Nuts and some seeds also contain the fats. Okay. Nuts, if we are talking about, okay. Now these protect internal organ against shock and also contain many important hormones to regulate our body activities. Means, the what is the importance of the fat? First thing, these fats protect our internal organ. Okay. The fat protect our internal organ shock against any shock. Means, if we are our body, internal organs are getting any shock, so if we have the good fat in our bodies, it will be protected by so our internal organ will be protected by them. And it also contain important hormones means chemical produced by plants and animals, which is useful to our body to regulate our body activities. Okay. Now what happened, so this is all about the fat. So what you have to do, read both topic, that is protein and fat.